Hello, my name is Priyanka. I am from a computer science background and I wanted to establish my career in data science, and that's when I came across ETLHive Institute. All my doubts and my hesitation regarding the complexity of the data science course, they were overcome and they were solved by Mr. Vaibhav Bajaj sir, my trainer. His approach towards the course is very neat and in an organized manner, due to which all the complex topics as well are easily understood by everyone, and all the doubts of the regarding the topics are solved then and there in the class. He makes sure that each and every student have understood the topic really very well in detail before proceeding further. He imparts the practical industry knowledge as well, and the course is 7 months long, which is essential because the course all the topics are covered in detail. All the problems and all the doubts of the students are solved in the class. The projects are also reviewed by sir and solved in the class as well. He imparts practical industry knowledge and he also helps with the resume preparation. He takes up the mock interviews, which is very essential for confidence building for the interviews, and all the preparations for the revision as well are done by sir. So I would definitely recommend Vaibhav sir to anyone who wants to take up data science. Thank you so much.